In 2017, the number of chronic kidney disease patients worldwide reached 697.5 million. 30 to 40% of people with diabetes may eventually develop kidney complications. ACR is the ratio of urine microalbumin to urine creatinine. Urine microalbumin is an important reference index for diagnosing early renal damage in diabetes. Urine routine examination of early diabetic nephropathy is often negative for urine protein. Diabetic patients must have urine microalbumin test on a regular basis. Simple microalbuminuria testing is susceptible. Using creatinine as a reference can eliminate the influence of urine output fluctuations on albumin concentration. ACR is not affected by drinking water, diuretic drugs, exercise, etc. Better results can be obtained anytime you urinate. ACR is an excellent indicator for detecting early kidney damage in diabetes. iCare 2100 Portable Automatic Multifunction Analyzer. Use disposable reagent cards to detect ACR. Easy to operate, fast, and easy to use. Single serving, no waste. To whom is ACR screening applicable? Type 1 diabetes is tested 1 to 3 times a year after 5 years of diagnosis or after 12 years of age. After all type 2 diabetes is diagnosed, test 1 to 3 times a year. Patients with hypertension, people at high risk of cardiovascular and kidney disease, pregnant women with preeclampsia. Regular ACR testing can detect kidney disease at an early stage. In the future, hope everyone will be able to test ACR regularly.